So a friend of mine says I have to try these wipes on my dishwasher, so I'm going to give it a try. I assume this is how you open them. Oh my goodness. It's tight. Alright. Apologize for this, but there we go. Alright, switching hands. Ugh. Let me just try this out here. I mean, I've already cleaned this thing, but let's try it with this wipes and see what they're talking about. Wow. This is cool. Yeah. The stuff that's coming off here. This is an old dishwasher. I've had it for over 10 years, which is, I think it's having to get replaced soon enough. But in any case, it hasn't completely died. Yeah, this is really something. The stuff that it's getting off here. As I said, I just cleaned it fairly recently. And the stuff that's coming off. Sorry, I'm not showing you the rag. I'm just paying attention to where I'm looking with my eyes instead of the camera. But it's actually getting this much cleaner. Oh yeah, this is cool. Wow. There was stuff on here that would not come off with other products. Wow. If you look at the rag, it's certainly got a lot of stuff off. Well, I will be using this on a lot of other products. I'm going to give it some more trials and tests on other things.